What's up guys, 200 Scrubs back with a Maverick video. So we plan on doing a bunch of light mods soon, more. We're gonna have like a light bar and some fog lights we want to wire up. So we got this switch panel right here, this gang panel, pre-wired. Put a link in the description. And so we're gonna install this in the truck today so that when we install the lights we'll be ready to go. So with the panel, first step is gonna be,
where you putting it?
First step, probably run the power wire through the firewall somewhere. So we gotta pop the hood. I just drove it so everything will be nice and hot, and then we can find a hole in the firewall, run that wire through, and then we'll figure out where we're putting this. That's good. Real quick, video sponsored by us. If you like the hat, the embroidered Maverick, Refined Truck logo. We also got shirt with the Maverick illustrated on there. So if you like that, if you want to support the channel, go ahead, link in the description, check out those stuff. We also got t-shirt, hoodie with embroidered, so if you check it out, cool. If not, well, that's fine. On to the video. Alright, so we've already been through the firewall once to run the power for our subwoofer, so we're just going to follow the same one. You want to try and
see if I can show them. Y'all might be able to see, I think y'all can see that red wire right there.
There's a huge grommet in the firewall. It's like an oval, so we have a hole going through that. So we're gonna tape this to our push wire, wherever I put the tape. Alright, left it on the thing. Tape this to our fucking piece of copper wire. What do you think that costs?
That copper?
What do you think you sell that for? What the fuck?
Some weird motherfuckers down here, huh? Yeah, the goal here is to make your tape as big as possible.
Here's the pro tip. Fold that. Alright, now I'll try and shove it through. You wanna be on the other side, or?
Yeah, you can try and shove it through. I can show these folks where the fine folks where the hole is. I can't get the camera in here. Yeah, I can. Y'all see that?
I might just shove it through the net.
Alright. I just gave these guys a seizure flipping upside down, and
I just pushed the whole grommet through.
Yeah, I see some daylight now.
Here's the grommet.
There you go. Oh, you're trying to get it through the same hole.
Yeah.
I thought you were just gonna make another little hole.
There we go. Alright, so we got the grommet back on. We got this long enough. You ain't gonna give me that much slack, Hopefully we have a grommet for this somewhere.
What, like a little island, you mean?
Mm-hmm. We'll just run this.
Gave you plenty of fucking slack. What are you talking about?
And then we'll run it like on the same thing.
On the same thing. While y'all are waiting on this guy to find some shit, how you feel about a live stream? How you feel about a live Q&A?
Live Q&A.
Yeah. Seen some guy in the comments talking about that.
In our comments?
Yeah.
He wants us to go live?
He wants us to go live. Answer some questions. Maybe put it on Twitter or something. I don't know. Nobody follows on Twitter though.
Well, you can YouTube live. We can go live on YouTube. Let me know in the comments you want to see us go live.
Yeah, a little live Q&A. I forget the guy's name that was talking about it, but I remember seeing it. I saw it like a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
He was like, man, y'all need to go live. I was like, well, maybe we could.
Maybe,
Gotta talk to the main man over here. Had to see what boss thinks.
We can go live. We'll have to schedule it though so people actually show up.
Yeah. Well, let us know in the comments.
Yeah, let us know if
I know you'd be down with that, huh?
I'd be down.
He's real down. He's down to clown.
Now we got that. Check.
Check. Let's do the firewall. Check.
Where's the panel? I left it somewhere. Right. Now we gotta figure out where we want to put this in the truck. I'm thinking right right here is an appropriate spot. Right?
Sure.
What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. It'll be too late. Because then I can just run the wire right to it.
Yeah.
Where are we going to ground it to?
They're gonna be angled down though.
Yeah, just
who cares?
Yeah, who cares? Alright, so we got it good. Now we're going to drill some holes where we want the corners to be so I can get it kind of mapped out. And then come in with a tool.
Hang on, let me show them sort of what we got. Y'all see that template right there, sort of?
That crooked template?
The crooked template?
It's just the bottom that's crooked, really.
So you're going to drill some holes in the corners. Step on the wire.
This is going to hurt. This is going to hurt me more than you, truck.
You checked for wires back there, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
Alright, well there's hole. We're never getting that plastic back. You good at using a multi-tool?
I'm gonna watch you try and be good with it.
I gotta practice on something, bro.
You just turn on and make it a straight line.
With the front, at the top like this?
Uh-huh.
Can't practice on nothing?
What are you gonna practice on?
Practice on my lower.
Piece of cardboard?
There we go.
Butter.
That's what it's gonna look like? Looks like shit.
Leave it to this guy to make a straight fucking line. Jesus Christ.
Straight?
Hell no. There you go. Now hit him with a D-Bird tool on that fucking...
What is this?
Some shit you ain't taking into account, huh?
No. Some shit we got to trim too?
Some shit you're gonna have to cut now. It's too late.
Alright, so we did what we should have done the whole time, and we just pulled the panel out of the truck. It's just a bunch of clips. Everything's clipped, so you can just get it out. So we're gonna try, and it's hitting right here where this clip is.
Just fucking barely.
So we're going.
Oh. Just worked it in now. Oh, you just need the hole to be a little bigger on that side, it look like.
Yeah. We're gonna sand down this.
Just square it up a little bit.
So we got in there with the Dremel, evened it up a little bit. So there's our panel.
Gonna show on the back.
We had to Dremel a little bit out of this peg.
Yeah, and just clean it up just a little bit.
Yeah, but we got it in here. It's not even held in with screws, or we were gonna put double-sided tape, but
just gonna wait.
We're just gonna wait until we get the lights hooked up, and then, so it's easy to remove. But now we can just go and
pop that back in. Know what you got going on?
So I just made a crimp on this end, a female spade, and now I'm heat shrinking this. On the switch panel, I'll show you, we put male spades, so we'll be able to plug this in. This is the one that goes to the bat. We think we found a ground. We're gonna test it first. Hopefully it works, and we'll see. We put 2 males on this end.
That joint is not focused.
Like you see it?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put this back through. That way we'll be able to remove it if we want, instead of just soldering the wires together. Then we need to make a ground wire with a, what's it called, the circle. Alright, so we think we should be good to go, so we're just gonna get a quick test going. I'm gonna wedge that in there. Put this on. I'll just stick it right here for now. And it's on. So with these, if you want it to light up the whole time, since we didn't tap into something accessory, we tapped straight to the battery, these would stay on the whole time. But if you unplug these ones, and then it doesn't light up. Like, they saw that, right?
Yeah.
But
it still works, flip that.
But it still works. You just don't have a bottom light. So if you want the bottom light, ideally you just do a fuse tap probably, something in ignition, but if you want to use it for stuff without the truck being on, you don't want it to be in something on ignition. So it's kind of, you either get the lights on all the time or not. I don't care about the lights, so we're just gonna unplug them.
Yeah.
So now we just gotta screw it in the back, put the panels in.
Just put it all back together, basically.
Put it all back together. And then we'll show you where we put the ground in a minute. So we're just gonna put on the battery and stuff real quick. All right, so we got it hooked up to the back, situated all right. You know, we got a fuse in there and stuff. I don't know if we showed you that. We put an inline fuse in.
Yeah, I don't think we showed him there.
And then, you wanna show them where the ground is? You need me to show them? You might be able to see through, nope. All right, so the brake pedal, let me get you. This is the brake, follow the brake. You're gonna be upside down. Imagine, yeah, y'all can't tell. Maybe, no. Maybe you can see right there. If it's on the screen right now, I'll try to put an arrow. But where the brake pedal connects, there's like a mount, there's 4 standoffs. It's at the top left one, which is bare metal. I think the other ones are painted. We tested it, it's a good ground, so now we just need to get like the panel back in and plug this in.
Did you bring the panel?
I forgot the panel. Let me get the panel. We got our ends in here. We just want to go bim boom, bada bing, boom, as you can see. So undo the bottom right one if you don't want the light. And then you got that. Nothing's plugged in yet. We're just getting this set up for the future. Stick them through this. Give it a good push, make sure you're sitting flush. We're not too worried about the fitment right now because we're gonna have this back off pretty soon. All right, so we got the panel back in, everything works, all of them light up and stuff. Now we just gotta put this little dude on. This is just a little plug, and then it just snaps in here as well, like this. Boom. You gotta rub that down. Don't worry about this even.
You forgot to shove that back up in there.
We move.
There you go. Job done, huh?
So now, it's me driving. Boom. Something's on. Maybe like a light beam facing back to blind somebody. Boom. Something else on. And then next time we go to take it out and we actually start plugging stuff in, I'll probably put 4 screws in the corner, keep it flush. We're just not going to be using it right now, so we just wanted to get it in place. And we'll figure out what kind of hardware we want to use. Got any final words? Check out the hats if you like it. We got the shirts too. Would show you, but it's inside and not going. Thanks for checking out the vid. Thanks for subbing. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. All the links in the description, everything we're using, everything like that. You can become a member of the channel if you want to support us. $2.99 a month, damn near free. You don't gotta do it, but we appreciate it. And we'll see you sometime soon in the next video. Maybe a WRX or Dakota vid. We'll see. Those don't suck, but we'll see.